Hey, good morning, everybody. Friday morning here. We have a key USDA report out this afternoon with that March stocks and acreage report. Real quick here, morning grain markets: corn's up a penny and three quarters, beans are up 3.5, wheat's down 4. Equity markets are slightly flat to just a little bit higher here this morning. Real quick, with that USDA report coming out, we've got the estimates here on the screen. You have the outlook for them, and then you have the March estimates here ahead of that report that'll be released late this morning. Again, we did do on Tuesday. We had our own video with our acreage estimates towards the end of the video. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link right up here. The other thing too is we are getting some nice weather. So my daughter on Wednesday, I think it was, she decided to take her tractor out and warm things up a little bit. So some of us are eager for warmer weather and to get outside. But flipping over here, kind of some outside markets. This gold chart, interesting. A lot of talk with the turmoil going on these outside markets with the banking and the Fed funds rates. That blue line is essentially at 2,000. You can see that the gold market has never really spent significant time above there, but you kind of got to like the strength, I guess, a little bit in here. And records are always meant to be broken. So this is one to watch, see if gold will pop above 2,000 for a sustained move. The other thing, and we kind of got this idea a little bit. We were talking with a customer yesterday, and he reminded us that there was a gap up there on KC wheat at 1050, and going back again, an old technical rule is gaps are meant to be filled, and this is kind of a situation in here where the wheat fundamentals are certainly supportive of the market, and then you have the global economic issues going on out there. So longer term look, don't forget about some of these gaps here on wheat at 1050. We've had a nasty sell off, but not everything is doom and gloom. So will we buy right here at 850 today? Probably not. We would look more for a pullback down into that 8.25 area. Again, you can see an easy risk spot at those recent lows. And then again, that upside target somewhere in that 10 and 50 area. Now, again, this is something that's probably not going to happen overnight. This is something we're watching, much longer term. But it's so easy in these markets to get focused on, on the day-to-day moves, and sometimes you got to take a step back and remember to look at the big picture. So we'll be back later on this afternoon with an update on that USDA report. We hope everybody has a great day. Try and get a little bit better today, and we'll talk to you again later on.